NextThought Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the NextThought Learning Management System. For more details, you'll find helpful links in the description below. NextThought is a collaborative and interactive LMS designed to create a truly engaging learning experience. It's especially suited for corporate training, educational institutions, and organizations that value knowledge sharing and community-based learning. One of NextThought's most notable features is its emphasis on collaboration. The platform integrates social learning tools such as discussion boards, video conferencing, and real-time chat to encourage active participation among learners. This makes it ideal for teams that thrive on interaction and group problem solving. Learners can ask questions, share insights, and engage in meaningful discussions, enhancing the overall learning experience. The content delivery system is highly flexible, allowing organizations to create custom courses tailored to their needs. NextThought supports a wide range of multimedia content, including video, text, quizzes, and assignments, ensuring that training materials are dynamic and accessible to diverse learning preferences. The platform also supports integrations with external tools like SCORM and XAPI, which is essential for organizations with existing training resources. NextThought excels in user engagement, leveraging features like progress tracking, personalized learning paths, and gamification elements to keep learners motivated. Administrators benefit from detailed analytics and reporting tools, which provide insights into course performance, user engagement, and overall program effectiveness. This data helps organizations continually optimize their training strategies. A major strength of NextThought is its focus on mobile accessibility. The platform is fully responsive, ensuring that learners can access their training materials from any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. This is especially valuable for companies with remote teams or learners on the go. In summary, NextThought stands out for its collaborative features, user-friendly interface, and robust analytics capabilities. Whether you're looking to foster a culture of knowledge sharing or deliver impactful corporate training, NextThought offers the tools to achieve your goals. Check the links in the description to explore how this platform can transform your learning initiatives.